Yo, so we're here doing a short video shoot at the moment. This is my girlfriend. My girlfriend for the video shoot.
Okay.
Just come out happy to see. Just come out that car with the command dog.
Alright.
Huh?
I come with my camera? Yeah, like I'm alright, cool. Yeah.
Memdo.
Alright, let's do this.
Oh my god!
Yo!
Hey!
Yo! Yo, TK!
Hey man, that's TK!
That's TK there, man. Yo, I got this shit on the vlog, yo!
Can I have your autograph something, please? The selfie?
You go get it, baby. Go get it. Hey, on the vlog, baby.
Ooh. Can I have your autograph, please?
I like you come over.
Look at that man with the big suit.
What? Yeah. What? What the?
Like what the fuck, baby?
Yeah, no. Yeah, like. Yeah, like something like that. Come on.
TK, what the fuck?
TK.
Rush out.
Come on,
Baby,
get in the car, man. Get in the car. Get in the car, man. Get in the car.
That was kind of cool.
That was fucking good. That was ill.
You want brother? He might kill me, you know.
I'm gonna get myself a full tank of gas. Wow, yo, this right here is just impromptu and it's the best. Like I don't know what the shit I'm doing. So we about to do a second take, huh? Yeah, second take on this. Again, back with my temporary girlfriend. Let's do this, temporary girlfriend.
Yeah, very happy. Get yourself cool, dog.
It's a different kind of vibe.
So we have one different clip, guys. Chop. Yeah. And then this video.
It's crazy. Yo, that just now was really funny. How do you feel?
Yeah, I was kind of nervous, but you know, it was kind of great.
Wow, it's pretty awesome. Yo, but I'm here, I'm gonna get some gas really quick because you know I have to go head back to Kingston and then yeah, but I'm gonna chill with them people here until them done do most of them shoot. I can't be here for everything, but I don't know.
You're gonna see him push me.
You get a serious push though?
Yes.
They're still shooting. We're up by the villa right now. They're trying to get some extra shots in and all of that crazy stuff. Take two. That's pretty cool. Yeah, so we're pretty much at the top of this villa here. Like this part of St. James, which where I'm from, just the Greenwood and Wilshire area. Up here you have a lot of like returning residents, so you're gonna find a lot of big houses where people try to invest their money back into the country. So some of them are big and they get run down after a while because the people don't return as yet, or they leave them with other people.
I got magic.
Yeah, you got magic.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that, man. Oh, damn, I need to get ready. Yeah, so pretty much it's one of those big old villas. I don't even know if anybody live here and stuff. Maybe that's the owner, I don't know. I'll hold one up. I think picture this.
You see me, you can't, you get what I mean? Some of them even think some women say work out for this.
Yeah.
That's why you don't watch when that girl them come dog forward. And sitting so rook straps. You see me fam?
Yeah, so pretty much we got the owner up there. And everybody else.
Fully.
Yeah, everybody else who was filming. It's really nice of this guy because what he's done, he's given us like the access to the villa to shoot wherever. As an older guy, he was up in the cut just now, and yeah, I'm just looking out for the young youth then, which is really good. It's really good to see that.
Cross, I know TK, I gotta knock out the girl on John.
Yeah, see? Take care of my girl, dog. Yeah, see? Rough. One more like.
Hey, I can't believe you did that.
What?
I'm messing. It's gonna be pretty cool. Here you go.
Yo, I'm on a big sporting girl star. Yo, we not use back here. We not using back in that video. Watch you. A big so girl. Move, man. I watch your girl breast.
Now watch no girl breast. I don't know nothing about magic part.
Someone a body girl, man.
So like Phantom already. You know already? Oh yeah.
I hope you guys like this kind of vlog, guys. This vlog is completely different. It's not no traveling or whatever, it's just chilling. Guys, this is the worst scene ever. They take him out for 10, bro. Oh my god, you about to hear. He's about to hear.
Lucky.
No, I feel like we're that.
They were already, you know.
Come panning us a Phantom. Come panning us a.
Boy, they go.
I mean, first I asked.
Ready now?
Yeah, ready, shoot.
Alright, wait. What's the door? Wait, you're looking at it, don't look at it.
Like, you can't look around the side. Let me start over. Yo, think you let me in there. I didn't like your mom from doing me as a I'm fucking doing that to
The dog, man.
Me?
Me like what she said, bro. We
can't shit, we can't.
Yo, let me make sure you're not in that.
Yeah.
Grab my face.
Jackie is
Start over here. Yeah, look serious, man.
Ready? Make sure they're ready now. Ready?
One, stay still. Yeah, go in the car and you'll go pick up the
You man don't believe in it.
I'm weak for money, so keep me your crowd. Theme of the codes on, season the crowd. Season your breathing is not what I want. Give me a reason and don't think I want. Mo day, all day. And boy got rooms in the hallway, nigga. Where you get in the hallway, nigga. Fuck around, start plus brown day. My presence is known, I don't need them to fly. Chief like if I got heat, no good.
I want to hear anything we are good for.
Okay, alright. I don't know searching for girls though, I'm sorry some boy will act like them bad. But no for one panda, panda.
No, don't start.
It's too out of order. Okay. I don't know searching for girls though, I'm sorry some boy will act like them bad. But no for one panda, take time panda. Back shot are the best thing for the wake up. Meeting panda. Take time panda, I go TikTok like SoundCloud. Hey boy, I'm not fuck you or fuck me like that. Me you back it up, then I stop it up like that. You're my wet like Severin. Voila, wait. Just okay.
Guys, right now I'm heading. I spent an extra hour and a half here because I was helping out my friends deal with whatever they had to deal with because they needed a car to drive them around and help out and whatever the case is. I want to really respect it, like, they show their appreciation deeper than a lot of other people because I notice that persons down here generally more straightforward. Instead of them like you, them just don't like you. And you go, no. Yeah, them that say, yo, give thanks to the strength, for, showing up and whatever, helping them out to do whatever I could have because none of them other friend them who did the studio was not there today. So that part of the whole music industry, I guess. That's why I'm not really interested in it as much. But yeah, I'm really sad right now because I have to go, say goodbye to my grandmother. I mean, she cooked dinner early, so I know dinner's supposed to be ready by a long time. From long time, so I'll go up there and go eat and then head out, head to Judah, pick her up, and then go back to my house. I'm really excited right now. Swear. I've been here from Friday evening. But, you know, eventually, we will be able to come to Baee some more, hopefully in the future. You guys will know about why and how that will happen, but isn't me? Give thanks. Yeah, grandma style cooking rice and peas, nice, swear. Chicken even nicer. Juice, you know what I'm saying? Yo, I swear to you guys, it's one of the hardest things for me to leave my grandmother. Like every single time, it's really hard. It gets harder every time. Like I told her goodbye, I hugged her, and then I was leaving and I just felt like I had to go back, isn't it? But yeah, this is life. But hopefully, well not hopefully, I'm coming back down here no later than summer, definitely. But I don't know, heading to Judah. It's now 3:23. Let's see what time I can get there. Hopefully I get to the ATM, I don't forget, because I gave my grandma all the money I had in my wallet. So hopefully I get the ATM so I can go on the tour. So guys, I'm heading in, and like there was this Audi lady behind me. She's driving like an Audi SUV, but you know those cars have a lot of power. And it was fun, like I was ahead of her, but like I made this pull over or something like that, and she passed me, and I've just been trying to catch her back, but I don't think I'll ever be able to catch her back. The car is too fast. But I always like that, doing that on the road, because she's not driving fast, but she's just making good overtakes, and so am I. So it kind of entertains me for my trip. So that way, like traveling by myself, I don't feel like, you know, zoned out. I feel more focused because I'm actually having someone to focus on. But she's gone. I'm about to head on the highway now though, so maybe in an hour or so, hour and a half, whatever it is, I'm gonna be able to meet up with my girlfriend. And my face is supposed to be really dry right now, but whatever. I'm really happy for that, because like I'm leaving, like my weekend was pretty good. You know, it's not the type of good like, oh my god, super excited, shit good. But it was good that I saw my grandmother and I saw some of my friends that I haven't seen in a long time. And also, you know, I got sad leaving, as you guys know. But the good part is that I'm going back to a happy place. I'm gonna go see my girlfriend, and well, that's the only happy place, because like I can't say, well, the internet. But that's the only two things. But anyway, I'm gone. Hey, I just saw my girlfriend and my glad bag boss. I was here waiting for like maybe like 15 minutes. It took me an hour and 55 minutes to get to Kingston. So I'm happy about that. It's pretty good. But yeah, this is where I'm gonna end the vlog, guys. Remember these three things: love, nature, adaptation, and always remember to keep the link. The shutter wasn't open, but now it is.
All I am is a man.